I really like this place because here you have these very traditional little toys or games that kids used to play in Taiwan.
My parents.
Your parents played.
When they were children.
Okay. Okay, so who's in front?
You're in front.
There you go. We gotta make a turn.
Yeah, we are good at it.
Yes.
It's actually a very good, like a dating stuff. If I fall, like, oh,
I need your hand. Oh!
oh, I have 2 kids.
I love you.
Do you know?
I don't care.
Okay.
I love you.
I'm so shy. Come on, Sascha.
What?
What?
Fire.
We are not making a movie. You shouldn't be drinking coffee here. We should go.
Just enjoying some coffee in the morning, the sun, it's perfect.
Yes, I know. But we should go.
No, you know, we're here because of this coffee mug. This is a really nice sculpture here.
Yeah, like
Tiger.
a relief sculpture.
Yeah. This place has to do with this.
This place?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. This is a clue for you, okay?
A clue?
There's something about this place that has to do with this mug.
Let me check. Not that.
No?
Definitely.
No.
Not that.
No.
But it's pottery.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go look around.
Sure.
And I think I will find out.
You'll find it and I'll explain more when you
Okay.
find it, okay?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, finally! I think I found it!
Yeah?
Yes, it's like this,
Yeah, you see
right?
terracotta carvings?
Oh yeah, 浮雕. I think this picture is about Chinese New Year.
Or is it?
That's all. The children are playing the fireworks.
And they're gambling.
Yeah, and you know how we say that? 刮掉,
刮掉.
刮掉.
Okay.
洗巴啦. Do you know?
Shibara!
Yes, you know that?
I know, yeah, I've played it before.
And you know the
I didn't know
rule?
the kids could play, because usually it's old people and betting money.
That's for New Year is okay.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
So, you know these Starbucks mugs, right?
Yeah.
They have these shapes and everything.
City mug?
The city mugs, right? They have all these carvings and stuff exactly as this. They were all created by Mr. Lin Guangqin. This house belongs to Lin Guangqin. That's the person who makes all the
He
Starbucks.
lives here now?
I don't know if he lives here right now, but this is his house and these are his carvings, and he also makes the mugs. So he is
Wow.
responsible for all the Starbucks mugs that have these special kinds of sculptures.
He's really 台湾之光 eh?
Yes, he is. Taiwan should be very proud of him.
This esteemed brick carving expert grew up in this Luzhunan area, which is a settlement group consisting of a 300-year-old traditional Minnan-style 3-section compound. New creative terracotta is added to the historical building, which makes it an important cultural spot. There are many interesting things waiting for us to be discovered.
This looks like a door. You know, in ancient time, if you build a house like this, it's not yet finished because your family will get bigger. This is a preparation, a door for them. So
So they have to tear down this part of the wall and
Yeah.
have a new door in?
then you can make the house bigger. It's a meaning for a fruitful family.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Except for this part, these houses actually look a lot like the house in my hometown in Germany. Because
Really?
we have a lot of brick buildings from the Middle Ages.
Uh-huh.
So you don't see this a lot in Taiwan, especially in Taipei, where I live.
Oh,
There
no.
are barely any houses like this. So this is really, I like this. I like this design. It's very European.
I like it.
Nice.
I like it too.
Yeah, I like the first location because it reminded me a lot of where I grew up in Germany. The red brick houses, and it's clean, it's quiet, it's cute. It feels very relaxing. So I really like this place because here you have these very traditional little toys or games that kids used to play in Taiwan. I don't know if you grew up with them.
No. This is toys my parents.
Your parents played.
When they were children.
Okay, you want to check it out? What
Yeah.
your parents had to deal with as kids?
Do you want to answer the phone?
Ah, it's fine. I don't care. Let's try. Let's start with this one.
Oh.
Have you seen this before?
This is very difficult.
It's very difficult.
I know.
Okay, you go.
Here we go.
All right, one more time, for real.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, I think the start is the most important thing.
And
the start is very important.
when my parents were kids, they can play this whole day.
I think it's a really nice workout.
You just look like a dog chasing its tail.
All right, enough. Next. I give up. Your parents have more skill than I do.
Next.
All right, anyway.
Okay, do you want to try that? This is called 2 people, 3 feet.
2 people, 3 feet.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, that's from Chinese translated.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
So,
Okay, so who's in front?
you're in front.
Do I go here?
Yeah. And we go left foot first.
Okay, hold on.
Okay?
Left foot first.
Yeah.
Okay. Left. Right. You have to lift your feet.
Right.
Yes.
Left.
There you
Right.
go.
Left.
You got to make a turn.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good at it.
Yes. It's much easier than the hoop game.
It's actually a very good, like a dating stuff.
It is.
Yeah.
I think maybe that's how back in the day they used to start dating.
Oh yeah.
It's like an excuse to kind of.
So if I fall, like then we.
Oh, I fell, and I
we are-
cannot get up by
yeah.
myself.
Yeah, 偶像剧, yeah, we are in love. Yeah.
I need your hand. Oh!
Oh. Well, I have 2 kids.
I love you.
You know?
I don't care.
Okay.
I love you.
I'm so shy. 2 person, 3 feet. In the beginning, we were a little bit shy. After the 跌倒, fall down, the ice broke. Yeah, I like that.
All joking aside, we didn't fall in love, but being able to establish a connection with other people, playing games, it's a really nice feeling. It's nice to make friends, right?
Oh, 灶咖, do you know?
Yep, kitchen.
Yes.
So we're here to get some food, so this is not just a kitchen, this is our DIY kitchen. We're gonna prepare our own food here.
Wow.
For example, you know 𝒊𝒂𝒐𝒍�.
𝒊𝒊𝒂𝒐𝒍�, right, yes.
It's a Taiwanese word. It's like a kind of a rice cake or something.
Yes.
We will make it here ourselves.
Oh, really?
Yes. I'm not good at this, so we have a teacher,
Hi, 你好。
May. May's gonna teach us how to do it.
Okay.
今天这个呢是石磨，那是阿公阿嬷以前在做昂菇粿的时候用的。那我们今天就要来体验看看。
Ah, 所以就是一匙一点点. So how do you? But you're gonna spill it all over the place. You're wasting all the precious rice.
这样没关系
Oh my
吗？
goodness.
没关系，
都没有关系。
就是它自己会慢慢
You
下去。
see?
Oh, okay.
it's-
It will flow down slowly.
米浆。
对，这个是要3点钟方向。
好
对你们来
3
说
o'clock.
Yes，然后往前推，
Okay.
推，
So
然后推
counterclockwise.
到我们9点钟方向的时候
好
往后拉，
Yeah.
这样。
OK.
Big circles.
我试试看好了。小心哦。
Yeah. Just don't rip my arm off by
它是一
it.
个力，所以你要一气呵成。
哦。
Oh.
OK
预备，开始。对
Oh, I got it.
All right. Ready?
Ready? Go.
Oh.
Okay. It's like
Keep
my
going.
morning
Yes, there you
workout.
go. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, I'm in a gym. Yes. I think you should try this.
You're tired, right?
This is really hard.
Okay. Let me try it. Let me try it. You take a break.
Wait. Oh. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Switch.
There's a lot of- A
Switch.
lot of rice. What do you call it?
我
Rice
的米浆都流出来了。
coming out.
Okay. Ready?
It's stuck. Okay.
Right?
This place is so.
Really hard, right? 对不对？
I know. I got it.
哇，好顺，好顺。 加油！
Okay.
加油！
If you slow down, like this, it's really hard. So I can't slow down.
I know it's like we're dancing. It's cha-cha.
It's a dance.
Cha-cha. 加油！
I think when it comes down here, I gotta speed up a little bit.
Yeah.
It's just the liquid, right?
Yeah.
So we have to make it dry.
Yes.
How do you get it dry?
我们变干的方式的话是要放在那个米袋里面，然后再用扁担压干。
Oh, we put it in a bag.
Yes， 压干呢一样要需要3个小时。
Wow, it turns out the preparation of the traditional Taiwanese rice food 𝒊𝒂𝒐𝒍�, the so-called red turtle cake, is a very time-consuming process. The turtle cake's red color symbolizes auspiciousness, while the turtle symbolizes longevity. It is often used in festivals, worship, and birthday celebrations. It is gifted to relatives and friends to share blessings. Having the opportunity to come here and hold these traditional tools with their own hands gives people a chance to more deeply understand and enjoy the traditions of this culture.
那我们面团呢已经准备好了，然后红豆也准备好了。那我们接下来呢就是要包𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒊了。
OK，
�𝒊𝒂𝒂𝒊呢，这个是它的模具。那我们这一面是寿桃，那一面是乌龟。对，
Oh,
有2面。
both
this is a
symbolize
turtle shape.
fortune.
Peach. Oh.
我们等一下要测的面团是65公克，红豆泥呢是25公克。
65 grams. Okay. There's no time limit though, is there?
Okay,
OK，
this is my dough.
1。
2, 3, go.
Oh my goodness.
你最接近。
See, I'm too greedy. Mine is 81 and yours is 78.
78.
会规定那个重量，是因为怕太多，你们等一下会包不进去，会破掉。先把它揉圆，不用真的很圆，但是就揉一个这样子圆，这样就好。然后呢，用食指的这里，在这中间开一个肚脐，
像个窝窝头一样。
对，因为这里压下去的地方不要碰到，用大拇哥把旁边的地方压平，这样让它有点像一个飞碟，中间这样凸凸的，但旁边帮我都压平，然后把这个放在我们的中间。然后呢，红豆泥拿起来，所以他们会这样子，有点你要先变成烧麦，然后呢再汇集成小笼包，然后粘起来封口，好，然后封口以后就不要再碰它了，对，就不用塑形。
Don't touch it.
OK， 我们这里呢，这个是沙拉油，只要碰得到的地方都要抹。
OK，
那这个油不嫌多，就怕你太少，因为等一下粿不要粘到。然后先用掌。先压一下，压完以后呢，用大拇哥去塑形。这个模具是不是有形状？
对。
那不要超出形状，但是它这样子鼓鼓的是 OK 的。
OK。
但是不要超出那个形状。好了以后呢，要做一个动作，就是先开门。
开门 ，Open the door。
这时候就见证你有没有超出线，然后有。
I did. I need to do it again. Oh no! What did I do? I messed it up.
OK。
Nice。
好，然后呢转过来。然后呢，大拇哥，抠它一下，就下来了。哦，这样就完成了。
Oh, okay.
对，
我的寿桃。
对，这样就。
My turtle.
那我们这样子就可以拿去蒸笼里面蒸。
这样就好了。
I like it because it gives you a challenge. I like challenging myself, like with competitions. You don't really need much. You just need yourself and your friends and imagination. That's it.
Wow!
Time for lunch.
It's a feast.
A big feast, yes. So we have some Minnan cuisine and some Hakka cuisine mixed together.
Fusion. Rice dumplings.
Dumplings. I'm sure you're familiar with that.
Yes.
Yes.
And?
Taro, squid, rice noodle soup, chicken soup, and this pig leg with like sauerkraut. It's like the Hakka version of the German pig knuckle and sauerkraut.
Oh, this is similar to the pickle in Germany.
The way they cook it is a little different. So ours is more fried, I think.
Fried and baked.
Yeah. And this is, I think,
steamed and stewed.
Stewed. So yeah, stewed. That's the word. Yes. Okay, so you're going for the fattier.
The fat is the best.
I like the slightly leaner part of the pork.
No,
Yes,
you have to eat the fat.
No, I don't have to.
Please try. This is the natural collagen.
This is good. Wow.
You see? You see here? You see? Oh, it's bubbling. Wow. It's my lipstick.
your lips.
Yeah. Nice.
To each their own.
Oh, look.
This is good.
It tastes like jelly, and you have to
let me
go
try
with the
yeah.
pickle.
So these are
Dried
also probably, I guess,
veggie.
soy sauce
And sugar and thyme. Thyme makes it delicious.
The perfect ending to this delicious lunch is a traditional dessert. The red turtle cake we made ourselves.
你们做的昂古贵真好
谢谢。
Oh,
哦，好漂亮哦。
对啊，这是昂古贵。
here's your peach and my turtle.
My baby! Oh, my
So
baby!
this is a dessert, I would say, right? Time to try our homemade rice.
Yes, 来吧。So gooey.
Chewy, chewy, gluey, and sweet.
Yeah,
It's a dessert.
it's like your teeth is bond together.
I think Germans would like that too.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
You can sell it in Germany.
Well, if I have to watch the thing for 8 or 9 hours every day,
Make it like a
I
merchandise.
don't think I want to sell that.
Oh.
You make it for me, I'll try to sell it for you.
I'm not afraid.
我就是要送给你们的。
哇哦
这是我们的菜头灯，先给你们。它
这是灯笼哎，It's a lantern.
以前没有钱可以去买那些纸灯笼或者是塑胶灯笼，所以刚好元宵节附近是盛产萝卜的季节，对，所以会到拿萝卜，然后中间挖洞，然后放蜡烛，然后呢用铁线穿了以后，用毛灯这样提着灯笼。
好酷哦！我第一次看到这个哎。
So for the Lantern Festival, you can come here, make your own little lanterns. Your vegetable lanterns.
Yeah.
Enjoying traditional meals and reminiscing about Taiwanese childhood memories in the antique 3-section compound will make you feel immersed in the quaint culture of early Taiwan.